Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ. Today we're going to be talking about our Havoc Engine Guard. This is going to be for your 09 to 23 touring bikes. It will fit select 24 models, so just head over to hogworks.com, check our fitment table, make sure it's going to be right for your bike. These engine guards are going to come in chrome and black. They're going to come with all of the hardware needed to mount them, and they are going to complement your Havoc sissy bar backrest very nicely. So today we're going to show you how to remove the OEM engine guard and put this Havoc one on. So let's throw it on there and get this bike looking aggressive. All right, a couple tools you're going to need is a T45 Torx, a 1/4 inch Allen, and a 7/32 Allen. Go ahead and throw our fender cover on here. Protect that carbon, man. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the OEM guard now. That is done by removing 2 bolts. You're gonna want a T45 Torx bit, 2 bolts, 1 on each side. There is a top center mount that we'll take off as well. With your T45, go ahead and take this one and the one on the other side off. Go ahead and remove the other side, again using your T45 Torx. All right, now that we got those out on both sides, we can go ahead and take the top mounting screw out. All right, so the last thing you'll do is remove this center screw here with a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. And then just keep in mind, once you start getting it close to coming out, you'll want to go ahead and grab the engine guard so it doesn't fall. And then just go ahead and pull it on through. All right, and your OEM guard is removed. With your provided screws, you want to go ahead and grab, this is your center mounting screw. You're going to need to install that with a 1/4 inch Allen. So we'll go ahead and get that on here. Just going to snake this through here, install your top screw, and then just finger tight for now. Then with your 7/32 Allen and supplied screw, we'll go ahead and mount the lower mounts. So with your 7/32 Allen and your provided screw, go ahead and mount this into the lower mount here. And again, just hand tight for now. We'll go ahead and jump to the other side, do the same thing. And since this is our last one here, we can go ahead and tighten it down. So once both of your bottom mounts are tight, you can go ahead and jump back up to the top center mount here, and tighten that up. And that's all there is to it. Just the 3 screws, hold the engine guard on there. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Like I say, it complements the Havoc sissy bar backrest real well.